Hello and welcome back to Forex Trading for a Good Living trading tips video tutorial series. This is a little video on drawing Fibonacci's, okay? And a lot of traders, a lot of new or aspiring Forex traders have heard of Fibonacci trading and the retracement levels, and I mean it's pretty cool stuff, okay? And Fibonacci is definitely a good indicator. I would say it's definitely a good assisting indicator. But anyways, I'm not going to blabber too much on that. This is a YouTube style video. And anyways, so what we do, we come up here, and hopefully on your tool tabs you have the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, if not, let's see, insert Fibonacci retracement. Okay, insert Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so let's go back to our chart here, and so we have to see this little cursor here. Anyways, so what you want to do is take a retracement of a move. You want to find a specific definite move, okay? And then what the object is. You take a high, for example. Here's one way to draw it. You take a high to a low, okay, and you want to see how much the price will possibly retrace, okay, with good probability. So for example, you have a high, you have a low, okay. Now this low is going to be defined to you, okay, by a break. When you have a move like this, these are the daily bars, and when you have a swing break, that means you got bars of lower highs, and then that high is broken. That's a good indicator that the swing has changed and you're in a new swing, okay. And so you're starting up, so you're thinking, ooh, it just I'm going to define this as a bottom now, since this bar was pivoted upon, and we have a new swing. So we we look at it here, and we look to trade that opportunity up to see if we can get a 50% retracement. Okay, that's one way. Okay, another is to come up and try to guess a bounce off of one of these retracement levels. Okay, now that's a that's a challenging game. Okay, but anyways, we're just reviewing. We're not getting too much into this right now. So after you draw your Fibonacci's, if you want to get rid of it, you see the little red dotted line right there. Just double click on it and then hit the delete. Okay, very nice. So Fibonacci's, they just another indicator, because the Fibonacci number sequence is used all over the place in trading. Okay, it's just part of the natural number series, natural laws of price movement, natural number series found in nature, and I believe somehow it's integrated into the human cycle, the human emotional cycle, the unconscious stuff that we do. So there's plenty to study on that. I'm sure there's a lot of it free. A lot of that is free on the internet now. So anyways, here's you get a nice quick solid move. Excuse me. And then you have a swing break. Okay, you have the swing. It starts here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lower lows, and boom, break here. You retrace to the 61.8, that natural number, 61.8%. Okay, it's usually the 50 or the 61. If a retracement go to 61, it's going to want to go to the 61. 50 is very popular too. So what a lot of traders do is they'll trade that, okay, as a kind of like a pivot point, to pivot off that point, okay, and then take it on the way down. So traders who did it this time, got in here, pivoted, put a stop above that bounce day, okay, and just went short, All right, you know, kind of a vague short, taking a, hopefully the closer to the pivot point, the less risk you take, right? So, if they traded on this day, they wouldn't really know if this was going to bounce back up. So if this was going to be the actual high, but as soon as they crossed here, getting in here, putting the stop up there, taking a risk, taking their percentage shot, good money management, and got the retracement all the way down, and they made some good money here. So that's another thing. We're not limited to the day bars. Oh, that's messy. So, but you can draw them wherever you want. Okay, the drawing tool, just drawing, connecting. In this case, you can't connect bottom to bottom because it doesn't make any sense, right? So you're just taking a, you're taking a definite move, and you just look for the obvious, because you know what, most people are going to draw the obvious too, and you want other people doing the same thing. So in this case, we took a low, high, and retraced here, and another thing is, sorry about that. You want to make sure you line up the retracement. So if you misdraw it like I just did, kind of hack job here, kind of like me dropping the microphone. Sorry. And then you double click on the red line again, and you take the little third ball and just kind of line it up. Okay, you want to be exact, just like in trend line drawing, in the trend line drawing video I just did. Okay, and so the point is, exactness is everything in trend line and tool drawing, because if it's not exact, what does the market have to go by? Okay, that's why don't entertain the notion that maybe or don't entertain it. No, it's easy. Don't entertain conspiracy theories. Okay. Conspiracy. Other people are trying to do this or that. Stick with what. Do this or that, meaning cheat or get in early, or they're trying to blow the stops. Don't get involved in that. It's a waste of time. It'll spin you around for a while. Okay, and it gets you missing the right, correct entries. Anyways, so coming back here. You drew the Fibonacci's, you lined them up correctly, and that's probably the biggest point of this this video here. And you have a retracement back. Okay, how do you know it's going to stop at the 38 this time versus the 50? Well, you don't, but you can get a little crafty and do something like that. Okay, and that's where you can define a trigger. Okay, this is the 5-minute bars. Anyways, I'm going to wrap this up because I usually blabber too much. So anyways, come up here and come to our site and sign up for our newsletter. It's an email newsletter, and we'll help get you stuff, information, tools and different developments to help you accelerate your Forex trading success. Okay. We're just out looking for anything that can help you, and more you learn, the better. And you can benefit from the collective trading experience. I got 26 years now personally in trading, and then some of the other folks here trade Forex, for a living. So we all will help guide you on the things that aren't usually talked about, the hidden secret things that really make or break the success. Okay, so come on, sign up for the newsletter, hang out for a while, and there's just more and more good stuff to come. Okay, thank you. Come to our website.